Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top patch straight keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called 12 dock, and what's old is new again. Brings back the tvOS 12 dock to tvOS 13 Plus. And this tweak is called Harlem Shake TV tweak. Part like is 2012. Harlem Shake for tvOS is finally here. This is called Harlem Shake TV module. Part like 2012. Harlem Shake for tvOS is finally here. This is a module for the tweak. Next is called Snowy TV. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Snowy TV overlays a snow effect and all your favorite apps. Next is called Pie Crust TV, just like Mom used to make it. Pie Crust TV is a tiny tweak. Is a tweak that adds a percentage when downloading an application. Next is called Jitterbug TV. Oh boy, I got the jitters. Jitterbug TV plays a song while editing your home screen. Next week is called D&D Switch, and enable or disable Don't Disturb with the silent switch. Next is called D&D Toast, and works best on iOS 12, 13, and 14. Adds animated toast notification when enabling or disabling Do Not Disturb. This is called Dock Indicators. It requires Alderus Color Picker. Show an indicator underneath applications that are running the dock. This is called Exit Folder Wrap Tick, and tiny tweak that gives you smooth haptic feedback when exiting from the folders by tapping offside. This is called Rofi, and an app launcher tweak, simple, easy to use, accessible from everywhere. So almost every aspect that Rofi is customizable, and there's no limitation to how many apps you want to add. This tweak is called Dots 2, as a pulsing color match notification dot to your iPhone lock screen. This tweak is called Blocks, notifications displayed as small icons or dots on the screen. This tweak is called Copy Pasta, and it's a minimalist clipboard manager. Next is called App Crack Tool. Unlock premium and no ads of apps configured in the iOS Settings app. Next is it's called Bell UI or Belly UI. Handcrafted UI icons, greatest design of your iOS device. Next is called Keyboard ACO or SEO. Powered with iOS 5 to 14. Makes the global key always switch between the first and second input modes of your keyboard settings. Next is called Call Recorder X Plus. Native call recorder for iOS 12 to 14. To record phone and VoIP calls or VoIP on your iPhone natively. So make sure you guys comply with the laws, because comply with the laws in your state or your county, because in some states or areas it is illegal to record someone without their consent or without just letting them know. So just make sure you guys follow your laws. Me or developers are not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. So just be just be safe and follow your laws. This is called HS Widgets. Add today widgets or custom widgets to the home screen. This is called Kia Dial, and this is called Fast LS. The fastest way to lock your iPhone. Fast LS, fast way to lock your iPhone and save your battery. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14. This is called My Below Headsets for iOS. It's one of the best ads, revotes, trackers, minors, and more. So one of the best ad blockers as well. This is called Deja Vu. Make sure you guys do put the accent over the E when you search it up, or it will not come up. So, Deja Vu, guys. I've seen that before. This is called Lisa. Customize your lock screen experience. This is called LibList. Library for handling app binary and XML property list. This tweak or theme is called Bell Status Bar, and that's what it looks like. This is called Phosphor Tools, and it's helper tools for the Phosphor tweets. This tweet is called Lyrication, and live lyrics for music. This is called Puck, your magical watch and spirit, to prevent the need of re-jailbreaking. This is called Dual Clock, adds a second clock to the lock screen and status bar. This is called Music Gesture, to control your music with gestures, so you can hide these items. And you have this swipe right, swipe left, double tap long gesture for different features or gestures. This is called Fly with your Twitter notifications come to life. This is called Fly JBX. You can hide doing jailbreak your iDevice. It's a bypass jailbreak detection tweak. It's called Hand Off 4S. This tweak will enable continuity feature on iPhone 4S, or iPad 2 or 3. This is called Handcuff iOS 13. Catcher tries to unlock your device and steal your data. And the last tweak is called AF Social. And add more features to social media apps. Supports these apps right here. This tree is called Notai Vibe. And know if you have notification without looking at your phone. This tree is called Add to Folder. And this is a pain to remove many apps to their dedicated folder. So this solves by adding a item to 3D touch menu, allowing you to choose the designation folder. Pretty cool. Next tree is called Pancake, and bring interactive dismiss gestures to the whole screen on all apps. Also has the ability to restore previously closed pages. Next tree is called Easy Airplane Disabler, and turn off airplane mode directly from alert. This tree is called Quick Press, and it's a little yet useful tweak that lets you quickly access tweets and stock preferences from the 3D touch menu on Sends app. It's called Quick CC Dismiss, and quickly dismiss Control Center from expanded modules. It allows you to perform a gesture to quickly dismiss your Control Center without having to dismiss expanded modules, media volume, brightness, etc. And the last tweak is called Video Swipes. And Video Swipes is a tweak that adds swipe gestures to the stock iOS video player. Also has support for YouTube player. Also works on thumbnails. Allows you to rewind, forward the video, change volume, change brightness and toggle, play, pause. All of this with convenient gestures. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.